put the vibration ring on. And already got the wires stripped. Now you gotta route it in there. Little plug is for the wire. And then I'll push the plug back in. This little slot on the motor, you want it straight up. And then it will line up to right here when you're putting it back together. Okay, now I'm gonna put some barrettes on those wires. And there's a little fuse right here. The connectors that I cut off were red and brown. So I've got the red and brown connected, and black to black, which is black, and the white is the neutral. So I'm just going to put some barrettes on that. And I'm going to route the plug. I tucked the wires in. So you slide this in and you guide the wires and you pull this. This is where you got to line it up, just so, because this pin has to go right here. Just before putting the cover on and putting all the rest of the screws, I'm going to plug it in and see if actually I get the motor spinning, because it's not all put together. And you know, if you have trouble with the wiring, it's easier to do it now than it is to take the whole thing apart later. Got it plugged in. Let's see if it'll switch on. Yeah, the motor just moved just a little bit. You want to have it laying flat. So that's working. Now we can put it together. Yeah, it's all fitting nice tight along there, so I can put the screws in along with the screws on the front side here. These here, I got ones on the back side too, here and there and there. And these are two little short screws. Put this little clip in here. That's the bend it downwards. You know, to clip it so it moves. Now you can put these hooks in on both sides. Yeah, that's all working. Now I'm putting this hose on. Put some screws in there. And then connect it back here. You can put the cover on it. Bend it downwards. Push it back here. Lift that up. Cover fits. We're putting 2 screws in, one back here and one there, and the rest of the screws is when you put this together. So one on either side. Now we can put this in. That one screw right there. I'm going to put the belt on. See if the tensioner works. And slip it now, and you push it, and then there's tension. That's working good. I give it a little bit of oil. Now we can put the cover on. And this is where this is where the top and the bottom here get screwed together to make it tight. Oh, there's a little slot there, so you know exactly where it goes. There. See? And 3 long screws. Attach the hose. There's the HEPA filter. I'll show you how this comes apart. You just pry this open. And this slides off. So now you got 3 pieces. Push that in, and push that, and that's locked in. Then when you want it open, you just pull that first, and lock it in. It's rattling most because it's on a glass table. Okay, I'll try again. I'll lift it up on the glass table.